that's not the actual ride height. I don't have the rear end under it yet, but it kind of gets an idea of what the shoes are going to look like on her. So the Barracuda's getting her shoes. Today I'm going to put the rear end in. Yesterday I put the QA1 front suspension in, and I must say they do a really nice job. Everything fit perfect. Cannot wait to see this car on the road. Getting pretty close. She's got some big old meats in her. Put the rear end in next. Well, the old Barracuda has her shoes on and she's on the ground just a little bit high in the back. So we're gonna take this over to C.H. Williams in Modesto and have the rear leafs lowered down about 4 inches. Yeah, that's right, locally we're gonna have leaf springs done. So we're gonna lower the back end down 4 inches on this thing, and then the front end I can lower manually with those springs, but yeah, just ordered the QA1 double adjustables for the back, and we'll get those put on, get the springs put on next week, and then we'll get the instant center done. She's on the ground, boys. She's got her shoes on. Well, we just got the rear end all pulled back out. Had to take the leaf springs down and get some work done over at C.H. Williams in downtown Modesto. If you ever need leaf spring work done, those guys do it, and they're good at what they do. They've been here since I was a baby. But anyways, we got the whole rear end pulled out. Gonna get the leaf springs redone. Gonna lower them down about 4 inches, and probably we'll start on the roll bar this weekend. We probably get the main loop done. It goes up and over, and then we might get the halo part done. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that this weekend, but I'm thinking possibly if I get froggy. But might end up spending time on the Sur Ron this weekend. We got something big coming with the Sur Ron that we're gonna do, and I just wanna probably work on that. But yeah, the Barracuda, probably have a little bit of work done this weekend. All right, guys, to be continued. Little bit of an update on the barbecue. Got the doors all completely done. We just I'm gonna cut the handles back off, make the handles to where they're hanging down a little bit more so it's easier to get it down or get it up. But I got all the grills made for it. Got those all put in. And then we're gonna do the clean outs next week. And then we're gonna put the door put on next week. I got it all made. We just gotta put it on. And then we're gonna mount it all to that trailer. That's what's gonna happen next week with that.